This is a stupid annoying robot. He's known as Tan because this is a stupid annoying robot because he's always unstoppable. Because we don't like these hackers because we want to kill and live in the world that's an hacker. It's a hacker because it's terrible hacker. He was a